To understand how to use affirmations, you have to have a clear understanding of what they are. Affirmations are simple and concise positive sentences that are written and said in the present tense. They are meant to dispel any negative thought loops that may creep into your mind. Therefore, they're creating new thinking patterns that gravitate toward positivity, inspiration, and motivation. How to use daily positive affirmations with the law of attraction. Law of attraction experts almost universally recommend using positive affirmations. However, perhaps you've struggled to design affirmations that work for you. Alternatively, perhaps you're new to the law of attraction and are not sure how to start using positive daily affirmations in the most productive way to program your subconscious mind. Although you may know that they're supposed to be a powerful tool, maybe you just don't understand how affirmations work best and are worried that you're limiting your manifestation potential. If your experience of positive affirmations has been frustrating, confusing, underwhelming, or awkward, you're not alone. The good news is that you can find a way to actually make them work for you. Meanwhile, if you're just learning about affirmations and feeling intimidated, this guide should help to demystify the concept. What are positive affirmations, or self-affirmations? In simple terms, the definition of affirmations, sometimes called self-affirmations, is using positive sentences that you repeat to yourself to build up self-belief in the subconscious mind. This means effectively writing a list of affirmations that inspire and motivate you to be better and help to overcome inner barriers and self-doubt. When you first start saying these phrases, they might not necessarily be true. But they should be designed to reflect what you want to be true. You need to make them powerful and unique to who and what you want to become. Then, over time, the consistent repetition of daily positive affirmations will help to reshape your inner beliefs and assumptions about yourself and the world around you. This reshaping gives you a more positive perception of who you are and where you stand. So most importantly, you have to truly believe an affirmation to be true. According to the law of attraction, what you think and feel shapes your reality. The power of affirmations lies in their ability to transform your external world by first changing your internal one. In addition, you can use affirmations for all sorts of goals, from self-confidence to career success, love, and abundance. Their only limitations are the ones you place on them. Positive affirmations. How they can change the way you think. As noted above, the majority of law of attraction practitioners use daily affirmations to replace outdated limiting beliefs. As new, more positive beliefs form in your mind, it becomes progressively easier to create what you want in life, no matter what that is. However, daily affirmations are also proven to change the way you think in numerous other ways. In fact, psychologists and neurologists are increasingly interested in how positive affirmations affect the brain and subconscious mind. Some of the proven benefits of daily affirmations include the following. Top benefits of daily affirmations. Research on affirmations shows that when you're stressed, you can boost your problem-solving skills by using self-affirmation. So, affirmations can help you perform better under pressure. This is particularly useful in situations like job interviews and first dates. Daily affirmations help you vibrate in alignment abundance, rather than lack. This can help you manifest your law of attraction goals at an even faster rate. Affirmations make you more aware of your thought processes. Greater awareness makes you more likely to challenge negative thoughts as they arise. This also enhances your self-knowledge, making you better at knowing what you really want in life. Positive affirmations reconnect you with feelings of gratitude and enhance your perspective on the good things in life. This can boost your happiness, as well as your vibrational frequency. Recent research indicates that optimistic people tend to have better cardiovascular health. So if your affirmations make you more optimistic, they could help you to live longer too. In summary, self-affirmations are good for your body and your subconscious mind. In fact, many people use them even when not actively working with the law of attraction. By changing the way you think, they can help you to slowly transform your whole life. Using affirmations. When is the best time to use them? There is no right or wrong answer to when is the best time to use affirmations. Most people prefer to use affirmations in the afternoon or evening. However, there is apparently a far greater benefit from using them in the morning. The main reason is that if you use your affirmations in the morning, you are effectively setting your day up by starting out in a positive frame of mind. Plus, saying powerful affirmations when you wake up can help you shake off any negativity from dreams or block your brain from filling up with any problems or difficulties you may be facing. In truth, the best thing to do is affirm yourself constantly throughout the day to maintain that way of thinking. Our advice is for people to always try these things and notice the difference in your life and what an impact it can have. Certainly when starting out, it would be best to make this the first thing you do, and many successful believers will have affirmation cards or post-it notes in view as soon as they wake for this reason. Here's what your morning affirmation routine might look like. In particular, you should follow this practice when first starting out to help get the most from your affirmations. How to use positive affirmations. 1. Take 3 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling to a count of 10. 2. Stand in front of a mirror and look yourself in the eyes. Smile, if it feels natural. 3. Say your affirmation or list of positive affirmations, slowly and clearly. 4. Repeat the affirmations 3 to 5 times, really focusing on the meaning of each word. 5. Take another 3 deep breaths, allowing your body to absorb the positive feeling of the affirmations. In addition, note that it's important to set aside a specific time that you dedicate to your affirmations. They are much less powerful if you rush through them on the way out the door rather than taking the time to truly visualize what you are saying. Let's now look at some specific types of positive affirmations and how to use them. Remember that you can always play with the wording of your affirmations. They are deeply personal, and finding the most authentic way to phrase them always adds more power. Louise Hay affirmations. Finally, if you want to find an affirmations expert, then it's well worth reading the work of Louise Hay. Famous for her inspirational quotes and her popular book, Power Thoughts, 365 Daily Affirmations, Louise Hay has helped hundreds of people find love, abundance, happiness, and success. For example, try some of the following positive daily affirmations. I accept my power. All areas of my life are abundant and filling. Every experience I have is perfect for my growth. I am worth loving. There is love all around me. Good luck.